Hello friends, it's Vicky. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Disney ears, but these are not just any Disney ears. These are golden sparkling Christmas ears that if you're like me and you have a pair of scissors and a glue gun, they will only cost you $5 to make. To make these babies, you are going to need a headband, some gold holly, sphere ornaments. I got these rose gold ones in a pack, golden ribbon, some sparkly shiny ribbon for the bow, and a pair of scissors and a glue gun. All of these items, minus the scissors and glue gun, which I got at the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. So when making these, the very first thing you're gonna do is wrap your gold ribbon around the headband. You're gonna first dab some hot glue onto the end of the ribbon and attach that to one of the ends of the headband. And then after that's done, just wrap all around, adding some hot glue now and then to make sure that the ribbon is nice and secure. Once that's done, it's time to add the sphere ornaments for the ears. Now you can either add these with the hanger pointing up so it can really look like ornaments, but if you're like me and you don't like that, you're gonna have to remove these. So what I did very carefully was I popped off the plastic piece for the hanger and then I cut off very carefully with a knife that remainder of plastic. And once that was done, I had a smooth surface to glue onto the headband. Before you glue your ears on, you may want to measure with a marker or pen on the headband where you want to place your ears so you're happy with their placement. And when you're gluing these on, make sure to hold on for a few seconds until it's dry to make sure they stay on there. Some folks don't like using hot glue. If you don't, I recommend E6000 glue, which also works just fine. Now what I'm doing is removing the golden holly and its leaves from the stems and gluing those all around the headband with the hot glue. After you have all your holly glued on, you are going to make the bow. To make the bow, I folded my piece of ribbon in 6 times. I actually ended up doing the folds and the bow a little smaller than you see here. Then I cut another smaller strip of ribbon, added some glue on the inside and folded it in, kind of rolling it up into a thin strip. Then I took that piece and wrapped it around the center of the larger piece of ribbon I just folded, gluing it and then cutting the excess off. And after that, you have your bow. You can also fluff it and form the bow to make it prettier, and then you can glue it onto the center of your headband and you have yourself a beautiful pair of sparkling golden holiday Disney ears. I think these are one of my favorite pair of Disney ears I've ever made. Then again, I'm biased and I think I say that about every pair, but honestly, aren't these so cute? Especially for the price, only $5. They kind of remind me of Tinkerbell a little bit. If you like this video, comment down below, and if you have not already, subscribe. I would love to have you back on here. Wishing you all happy holidays, and as always, sending you a big virtual hug wherever you are in the world. See you next time. Bye!